Computation. Our topic for today is direct proportion. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve problems involving direct proportion. Can you do this question? It takes 1 mango to make 2 glasses of mango juices. Determine how many mangoes will make 200 glasses of mango juices. At this time, I'll ask you to pause the video and try to do this question. Note the following. 2 quantities are said to be in direct proportion if they increase or decrease using a constant multiplier. For example, John walks 100 meters in 4 minutes. If he walks 200 meters, how long did it take him if he walks at the same speed? Of course, the answer for that would be what? 8 minutes, because if it took him 4 minutes to walk 100 and then the distance was doubled, then the time would have been what? Doubled once he walked at the same speed. So what we're saying is that the quantity of the distance have increased by doubling, and then the quantity of the time must also increase by doubling. So we're saying the multiplier in this case is number 2. Once again, we will use a comic strip to conduct this lesson, so you are expected to look, listen, think, and participate if you intend to learn from this lesson. Hi students, welcome to CDP Creative Cooking. Today we will be making mango juice. But guess what? I can't move because I'm just a picture. So guess what? You gotta listen and take notes. Are you ready now? Vamos, amigos. Step 1. Wash the mangoes first, then peel. Cut them up in small pieces and place them in the blender. Add 2½ glasses of water and then select blend on your blender at home. Wow, wasn't that easy? Now you might wish to make money from selling mango juices, right? But I have a question for you. What if you need 200 glasses of mango juices? How many mangoes would you need to use? Now, I would like for you to stop and think for 3 minutes of how you could work this out. Stop and think. Notice that there is more than one way to solve this problem. Remember now that the aim is to find how many mangoes we will need to make 200 glasses of mango juices. Let's see. 1 mango to 2 glasses. Question mark mango to 200 glasses. What do you notice about the number of glasses? How did the 2 glasses increase to 200 glasses? You could either add 198 to 2 or multiply 2 by 100. How many quantities are we dealing with? I guess you may be wondering what I mean by quantities, huh? Well, quantities refer to the amount of or number of. For example, the number 1 is telling us how many mangoes, and the number 2 is telling us how many glasses. This is telling us that there are two different quantities. Meaning, quantities tells us how many or how much. If you use the one mango to make 200 glasses, would the quality be the same? Give a reason for your answer. Well, my answer would be no. So therefore, as the number of glasses increases, so will be the number of mangoes. So, if I use one mango to make 2 glasses, how many mangoes would I need to make 4 glasses? Did you say 2 mangoes? Well, if you did, you are correct. So, what if I use 3 mangoes? How many glasses would we make? Did you say 6? Well, if you did, you would be correct again. Now, what if we used 4 mangoes? How many glasses would we make? Did you say 8? Well, if you did, you would be correct again. Now, what if we use 5 mangoes? How many glasses would we make? Did you say 10? Well, if you did, you would be correct again. What do you notice? Did you notice that as the number of mangoes increase, the number of glasses also increase? Draw a table with 6 columns and 2 rows. Pause the video and observe. Make as many sentences to state what you observe. Did you notice that the quantity of mango increased by 1 and the quantity of glasses increased by 2? Take a second to write what you notice between the number of mangoes and the number of glasses. If you want to determine the number of glasses, what should you do to the number of mangoes? Did you notice that if you multiply the number of mangoes by 2, you will get the number of glasses? Question: what would you do to the number of glasses to determine the number of mangoes needed? Did you say that you would divide the number of glasses by 2? Well, your answer would be correct. Now notice, to find how many mangoes would make 200 glasses, you would have to divide 200 by 2, and your number of mangoes would be 100. Notice, the same number you use to multiply the number of mangoes must also be used to multiply the number of glasses. Now note, we have 200 glasses over 2 glasses. Notice that we have glasses divided by glasses. Good. If you had kilometers, it should also be divided by kilometers. We are doing this now to find the what? The multiplier, or the constant multiplier. So even if you had seconds, it must be divided by what? Seconds. If you had grams, it must be divided by grams. So what we're simply saying is that the unit of measurement must be the same. So here our unit of measurement this time is glasses. So 200 glasses divided by 2 glasses would equal to 100. Now this 100 becomes our constant multiplier. Now 1 mango multiplied by 100 will give us 100 mangoes. Good. Please note that the units must be the same when dividing, and we divide the bigger number by the smaller number to find the multiplier. Try this question. A car travels 180 kilometers on 6 liters of petrol. How many liters of petrol will be needed to complete a journey of 540 kilometers? Now make sure to pause the video and try this question. If you don't do that, then moving on further will not help you. Ta-da! The answer is 18 liters. If you did not get this answer correct, all you need to do is to return to the dialogue in the example and make sure to pay attention, look, listen, and participate, and you will know how to solve this. Try this question. Can you do this question part 2? 27 apples cost $162. What amount would 31 apples cost? Pause this video and try this question. Hello again. No, I'm not going to make apple juice now. Well, as you know that I paid $162 for these apples. But to tell you the truth, I need to get 31 more. I wonder what's the cost for the 31. Well, I guess I have to find the cost for one first. Then multiply it by 31 to find the cost for 31. Now to find the cost for 1, I must divide the cost for the 27 by 27. That means $162 divided by 27 will give me $6, which is the cost for 1. So the cost for 31 is 31 times $6, which is $186. So 31 apples cost $186. Trust me, it is easier to find the cost of one first. It was a pleasure having you at CDP Kitchen today. Try this question. Given the cost of the recipe for 3 people is $19.50, what is the cost for 10 people? Pause this video and try this question. Answer $65. We have come to the end of another lesson created by Ronique Bernard. I sincerely hope that this lesson was of benefit to you. I sincerely hope that you had looked, listened, and participate so that you could have used this lesson in the way it was designed for you to be used. Of course, as usual, we would like to ask God blessings upon you and your friends and your family. So stay tuned to CDP MATHS LAB. Enjoy your day.